Reveal day is here. Reveal day is here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Boom. Yeah, we still gotta unbox it. But good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. I miss you guys. Welcome. And to new subscribers, new viewers, welcome to the channel. We have a new K-Series product that we'll be revealing, unboxing together. Oh, it's cold. It is cold, guys. I need to buy a new heater. But until then, we'll just be freezing in the garage together. So, what we have here is a Tato Bien cart specifically made for our setup. Here goes nothing. You guys see that? You didn't see that. You didn't see that. Oh, that's a nice sticker though. I'll go around the sticker so I can keep it. That was a fail. You see that? Ooh, that color is sick. So we've been leaving hints here and there. Oh, this looks sick. This looks crazy. I always talked about getting one of these carts, and what the fuck? What the fuck is that? Nah, you guys gotta see this. You guys gotta see this. What the fuck is that, bro? You know, for being a small business, the packaging, the crating, everything to ensure you don't have a damaged product, A1. This is A1. Like, hardware, the mats, the crate, nothing's damaged. But, bro, we gotta finish unboxing this. Come on. Come on. I guess that works. Of course, that happened on camera. You guys seen that, right? So here's a little sheet that Tato Bien sends out. You can pause it if you want to read it. Hopefully that unboxing was pretty good. But now I'm going to get the cherry picker. We're going to get the motor on the engine cart and start explaining it all. Ooh, so I have Tonka's motor sideways. I have the cart right here. I guess I'll bolt it up and lay it down, because I wasn't aware that the cherry picker was letting out. And yeah, we already started vlogging. So fuck around and find out. If you can't screw it in by hand, you're doing it wrong. Like how easy this is. Hopefully you can see it. So the saying goes, if you can't put the hardware in by hand, you're doing it wrong. As you see, that's very easy. Engine card on. So this is an interesting vlog. I'm about to lay this down over here. Of course, I'm going to record it, but yeah, I probably should check that we have everything. All right, guys. Guess let's give this a try. Give this a try. Boom. That was crazy. Now, let's break down this engine cart and tell you more about it. I am pleased to announce, after everything of unboxing, Tato Bien's first lean K-Series engine cart. As you see with the stickers, I believe we're calling this the version 47. If not, version 6 is what he's currently calling it. But, got my juice holder. But in reality, these do serve a purpose. You can even set your transmission on here. I'll show you in a second. But the cubby holders are an option. With this, if you have a short block, You could have pistons, rods, everything, the whole complete short block. You can put it on your engine cart. It doesn't even matter what engine cart you have. You can have B series, D series, H series, J series. Put your short block on. You could have head studs, head gasket, torque your cylinder head down. Carts roll like nothing. All 4 of them have locks on them. But these end carts, you can put your hardware in. And the hardware I mean is if you still need to do timing, all your 10 millimeters, your 14 mils, even your harmonic balancer bolt, it can all go right here, and it'll keep it out the dirt and from losing it. As you see, I'm spinning this whole motor by hand. The rear is accessible for the half shaft. Nothing gets in the way. Once the transmission is on, you could install, uninstall. Hardware goes right here. You can lay your half shaft across if you need to. Over here, you can have your transmission sitting. It just depends on what you're doing. But you can install your clutch, flywheel, do your rear main seal, or just install your transmission. So if you're working on it, all you can do is flick these casters down on all 4, and you're good to go. But if you're not doing anything, snack tray. As I mentioned, you can put your transmission on here as well. Add the wheels locked. But even with the transmission on, I only locked these 2. It still scoots around like nothing. These carts are custom made. They're MTO, which stands for made to order. The lead time, I believe, is 7 to 10 business days. And even though this was a custom one and the first lean one, it took just about that, and it got here like nothing. But you could choose the color, blue, red, green, it doesn't matter. Whatever color will match your build and you'd like, you could choose that color. As you see, you could get a custom nameplate, as Tata Bien gifted me. I'm so thankful for that. Thank you again, Tata Bien. But that's an option. You could get this part enclosed like one of these trays and hardware holders to where you could put wrenches, snacks, tools here. But as you see from my build, I specifically didn't want that. But you can get that option. So these side cubbies, I'll come back to that. But there's a whole bunch of stuff you could do, guys. B series, H series, K series, J series now. There's all sorts of things that match your specific build. You don't have to have a K series lean one like me. But Tata Bien was such a... They blessed us with a coupon code, right? These hardware holders on the sides, I don't know if this one is included. I believe it's not. But to have the luxury of it, if you make an order, the first 8 people, because 8 is my lucky number, will get a free cubby holder, like all around. It's not just this one. But he will throw in the cubby holders for free for the first 8 people. Please use manners when you DM him. Go to his Instagram, Tata Bien Engine Carts. See what you want, have a color in mind, DM him and say something like, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Tata Bien. I would like a engine cart for my B Series Turbo EG hatch, or Turbo B Series EG hatch. However you say it. I'm very cold right now. The garage door is right there, and I can feel a breeze coming in. Tonka's probably cold. But once you guys get the conversation going, KG Slay is my code, and I just want to share my plate. Tata Bien wants to share his plate as well. He wants to show how thankful he is, and it's just something cool. Even if you're not buying a cart, guys, please comment down below. Thank you, Tata Bien. Well, looks like this will conclude the video, everybody. I really wanted to install the clutch, but it's cold. As you could probably tell, I'm kind of shivering right now. My hoodie's still on. But anyway, Tata Bien, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. It is really a blessing. I never thought I would be able to do this. I never really imagined this. So thank you so much for allowing me to have a coupon code with you. First 8 people, please use your manners. I'm talking fast, right? Trying to get out this garage. But anyway, What inspired Tato Bien to make a kart like this was the AK-47. As with me, Tonka, as some of you guys may know, is following the AK-47's footsteps with being a lean K-Series K-24. And yeah, stay warm out there, stay blessed, stay slam, most importantly, keep gunning. Thank you for making it to the end of this video.